Hey guys, Silver Ambrose 2 here, and today we're going to be recording a video. Alright, that's loud. We're going to be making a video on Pokemon cards if you saw the title. I don't know why you click on a video without looking at the title. First things first, Ultra Prism. This is just a random remix I found. Trying to find a good Kingdom Hearts one, but it's kind of hard to look things up on console. Okay, here's your code. One, two, three to the front. Energy. Got Magneton, Palpad, Luxio, Roselia, Gible, Electabuzz, Chimchar, Pachirisu, Tapu Lele, and Rampardos. Those two are gonna... I'm gonna do a different thing this video where I make like a good card pot. You guys can't see anyway, so. Next up is Steam Siege. I don't know if there's the thing on the I don't know if there's a extra card on the back in this set, so here we go. Here's your second code. 1, 2, 3 to the front. I don't know if there's another one, so I'm just gonna stick with 3. Armor Fossil, Shieldon, Flaffy, Monferno, Litleo, Dino, Hoppip, Litwick, Meowth, Dewott, Avalugg. Where did I put the... Did this just fall on the ground, or... okay. Oh yeah, it did fall on the ground. Let's put that one. Crimson Invasion, I am pretty sure is only 3 as well. I guess we won't know for a little bit. If we don't get anything good out of this pack, I'll open up another one. Oh, sorry. Here's your, code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Dashing Pouch. Kakuna. Staravia. Minccino. Corphish, Shellos, Dino, Geodude, Misdreavus, Beedrill, and yes, there was one, I guess. I'm gonna open up one more just because. Alright, this one definitely has it. Incineroar is gonna give us some good luck right here. Incineroar! No one asked for that, Incineroar. See, my editing app's shit, so I can't, like, make my own sound effects, or else I probably would have added in, I would have found that off the Switch, because I have the game. Here's your code. One, 2, 3 to the front. Energy off the back. Corsola, sorry. Professor Kukui, Energy Card, Energy Switch, Nintendo Switch, Alolan Grimer, Sparrow, Grubbin, Fearow, Snubbull, Dratini, and Lunala GX. Ooh, it's got that nice, like, how do you describe that feeling? It's like a really nice feeling to it. Kind of like, I don't know, not explain the feeling, but it's got a nice feeling to it. Very nice card. Yeah. So we ended this off with 2 cards I know I'm gonna need. Okay, these 2 right here. Well, I don't need him, but Tapu Lele. Actually, I think I might have a Tapu Lele, but... Yeah. So we got Lunala and Tapu Lele as the 2 gold cards, is what I'm going to call them. Technically it would be this one as well, but, you know, technically it would be this one because it's literally gold, but you know what I mean, this one's a good card, so. Yeah, I'm going to end off the episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like that, if you like to hit the like button, duh, it's just like so obvious. Subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.